G'day guys, this is Matt here. Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to make a PDF editable or fillable for your students based off a Microsoft Word document. And here is the sample first, what we'll actually get to, and we'll be able to build this in this video. So what we need to do first is to have our Word document, which I've got here, I've already prepared earlier. We've got our name, age, favourite food, holiday, and your favourite character in the Avengers Endgame. What we need to do now is save this as a PDF document, which I've already done, and then open it in Adobe Acrobat. So what we can do here is we can open it here in Adobe Acrobat DC. And as you can see, my file is here. This is the form. So what we need to do now is actually go to prepare the form, and that's when we go to the tools function. So we've gone to the tools function. When we scroll down, it's under forms and signatures. We click prepare form, and it will have our form in here and go start. And it's going to say there's no form fields because we haven't built any yet. So what we need to do now is we're going to start with a text box. But as you can see, we can type in text, add drop downs, buttons, we can do calendars and images. But what we're going to do now is just a simple text box. And now it's asking us for a field name. So we're just going to call it name to make it easier here. Same thing here, we're going to do age, like so. Favorite food, adding in food, like so. Favorite holiday. And as you can see, I'm starting to build the fields for what we need to do. And the last one is for the movie. Okay. Each field, though, has a set of properties, which you can do from appearance to size to color and multi-line, and also make it required. By right-clicking on it and going properties, you'll be able to see a whole range of properties here. What we're going to do, we want to make sure that this name field is required, so it will turn red. Also, it's got many options. We can make it bordered, we can change the font size, but when we go to options, we can actually make it centered. So when they type in their name, it's centered. And it can check spelling as well. So we'll hit close on that one. That's fantastic. What I want to do now is, I actually want to make this movie one here about the Avengers, I want to make it a bigger line or a wider format so we can type more text in it. Once again, we right click and go properties, and we'll leave it as left alignment. But when we go back to your right options here, we want to make it multi-line. So we've done that, that'll give us multiple lines, and we'll hit OK and close. So what we need to do now is by clicking on that one, we can stretch this out, stretch this one out, like so, and it can be a multi-line. So once we've done that, we can now save our document, save it straight to the desktop, call it the same thing, and yes, we'll replace the file, and that's saved. So what we can do now is we can actually open up in this in Edge, or whatever, or another PDF program, and here is our form. And here we go. We type in Matt, age, 25, favorite food, pizza. Favorite holiday is Italy, and favorite character is Iron Man. Okay, and there you have it. This is an editable, fillable PDF that you can send to your students or staff, and once you can also save that and get that as well. So you can hit save, make it, call it copy one, hit save, and now that document is now saved with all the information filled in, and your students can now send that to you as an attachment if you like. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.